My favorite thing about Christmas is the Christmas decorations. I love Christmas trees. I love scented candles. I like the smell of Christmas. I actually really like when people have inflatables outside their house, especially if the inflatables knock over. I think that's funny. My favorite Christmas decoration is this little ceramic Christmas tree that my grandma made, and it has little bird pegs that you put into it, and when you turn it on, all the little birds light up, and it just makes me happy.
My favorite thing about Christmas is baking. I love to bake, and I learned that from my grandmother when I was younger, and I'm able to bring that in every Christmas time with my kids, and we bake cookies for their uncles every year. We usually are covered head to toe with flour, sprinkles and icing everywhere, but the memories are the best part.
My favorite thing about Christmas is enjoying hot chocolate. In my hot cocoa, I like marshmallows, I like chocolate chips or chocolate syrup. I put cinnamon on it. I put a candy cane in there sometimes. It's perfect. So I have a hot cocoa station at home that I bring out around Christmas time, and it's got everything on it. You'll never find a hot chocolate better than the one I make. I like to enjoy it with friends and family. They love the way that I make it, and so I make it for them.
My favorite thing about Christmas is actually giving presents. I think it's that feeling you get when somebody gets something, whether it means a lot to them or it wasn't expected and it really resonates. I think that's my favorite part. If they give you that big shock, awe look, and yeah, you can tell by the twinkle in their eye if you hit the mark.
Our favorite thing about Christmas is spending time with friends and family.
Yes.
And we consider the CFY family our family too.
Yes.
What I think about is the new babies each Christmas that have come into the family that year. And we've got a bunch more, so that's just what I think of.
Friends, family. You don't get to pick your family, you get to pick your friends, but we get to pick our friends and our family,
Yeah,
right?
we do.
Favorite Christmas story?
A lot of stories. We do a lot of things, a lot of cooking, a lot of games. All the kids are out of school, the grandkids are out of school, and family getting together really makes it special.
We're really blessed. We have a lot of family.
From our family to yours, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!